Want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. But first, pond update. So I've had my neighbor actually cut down two giant trees. He has this big F-250 and this tractor, and he's just moving the trees. He had them cut up in smaller pieces. And I spent most of my day last night in the water, swimming around. I have a buggy, and I was pulling what I could and pushing what I could. And I got the limbs out there immersed in water, and 3,500 bluegill, shell crackers. The bass are coming in the fall. Dude, the pond's going to be awesome. So my way to balance myself is to really just go out on the pond that I dug. This just used to be muddy land that you couldn't even mow. So I had a overpriced pond, which price just kept going up. Equipment that dug the pond ran on diesel. Diesel just skyrocketed. Cost way more than I anticipated, but it's the best investment. I just can't tell you guys how much joy this brings to me every day. So make sure the key is this: be balanced, right? Have a balance. Don't be like, I'll let this market swallow me up. Yeah, I made a ton of money, but money's not happiness, right? The experiences you have in life, that's what makes you happy. The people you have around you, surround yourself with good people. And money just provides the freedom to do what you want. This was yesterday's video, and I talked to you guys about a scenario where you break down, and 68% chance that you break down. Obviously, all know what happened, the breakdown. And so this was a 5-minute chart. And as soon as you got this breakdown and then this bearish retest, look, you had shoulder, head, shoulder, bearish retest, like you're going to get wrecked. I posted in group. Just imagine the power of this. You have a group that is led by a veteran in this space. I've been doing this for 6 years. I'm a veteran in the space. How do you do it? Longevity is the key. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. So we did get the bearish breakdown of the rising channel that we talked about. The bottom line is I posted, hey, this trend line needs to bounce if you're going to get any bullish upside. It didn't. So in the morning at 8:30 a.m., I woke up, drank a bunch of coffee. I said, put stops in place. Bitcoin had a 58% run up right here, and it didn't have a significant pullback at all, right? This is Bitcoin CME futures, no pullback. So totally healthy to see some type of pullback. Now, where I get worried would be if I get a break of this red trend line. Remember this guy? But I mean, you could come down here to the support area. There's going to be a ton of buyers at 26,800. There'll be even more buyers at 25,200. So if you're looking to get in, but when you look to get in, you need a falling wedge. You need a reversal pattern. You need reversal ideas. But understand that a reversal and a bounce are different. This could form a falling wedge, like we talked about the other day, where you get just downside out of Bitcoin. And it's not amazing. It's not fun. But the amazing thing about this is we're on gem pick banger city Kucoin. Make an account today, and we're killing it every day. Killing it. I have some amazing shout outs to give to my trading group. This person is in Dubai. He made $82,000 in about 4 months. Banging. This person started with $800 and is up to $17,000 in 1 month. Gem pick bangers. Shout out to Karen. Thanks for the gem pick. I'm up $2,000. The camping life. Thanks so much for your group. I've made $33,000 in 4 months. Banger after banger after banger. We find the best setups. And right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group. $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. If you're in crypto to make money, which obviously you are, you're watching this video and you're not in the group, what are you doing? This is Bitcoin CME futures. I talked about this as the measured move. It still is. You don't want to see a breakdown of this level. I'll mark it again. You don't really want to see a breakdown of that level. You want to see a bounce here. But hopefully some type of bounce. It's 27,700. Again, a bounce is not a reversal, right? If you get a bounce here and then it comes up here and rolls over again, you know, there's head and shoulder type ideas, but you lose this level, the measured move 26,000, and there's a ton of buyers down here at 25,200. Okay. Coinbase leaving US soil with license to operate offshore. Dude, nobody, the problem with crypto is in the United States, like nobody wants to deal with Gensler. The guy's a goon. He could not answer a straight question. Is Ethereum a security? He back and forth. I watched him for 5 minutes, just back and forth. The Coinbase exchange, they produced a license to operate away from the US with its hostile regulations. There's a growing feeling that a crypto exodus is taking place from the United States. The SEC came out on the 14th and they said, hey, and they made a statement on alternative trading systems and a definition of an exchange. And so the idea is you've got all those crypto exchanges and they're holding crypto and it doesn't fit into the rules and regulations of the United States, right? So the proposal would modernize the rules regarding the definition of an exchange. It would account for evolving nature and electrification of trading platforms. The proposal would require for communication protocols, venues that bring together buyers and sellers of securities through structured methods to negotiate a trade to comply with rules for exchanges. Possibly we see some changes. Hopefully we do. Otherwise, the United States is going to miss out on the blockchain revolution, which is going to change the world forever. The ES1. So yesterday, briefly, we talked about this as breaking to the downside, and it has, and you got a bearish retest. So the idea of a double top is in play. You've got 68% chance that this breaks to the downside, and it did, and it's got a bearish retest. The measured move is basically here. Most important thing about crypto and trading crypto, it works even better on the stock market. You see this right here? This is a inverse head and shoulders. In a second, I could go and trade stocks more and do even better because there's not so much manipulation, because it's harder to manipulate the stock market because it's so much larger. All these cryptos are so easy to manipulate, and it happens all the time. Being able to trade is the most empowering skill set there is, period. If you can trade, you can go anywhere you want, you can do anything you want, because all you have to do is open up a laptop, have some internet, and you take off. And Elon Musk launching all those little satellites into space, you've got internet in places now where you didn't have it before. This is where the money's at, trading. If you're going to work every day, you're doing it wrong. This is an idea of a double bottom. This is the dollar, and I talked to you about this yesterday. This thing breaks out and the dollar starts to work higher and it shows signs of strength, then this would be bad for crypto and this would be bad for the stock market. Now, the stock market has talked about the idea of probably the fourth quarter seeing a recession starting, and it could last a year. Key is Bitcoin needs to break away from traditional markets and moon mission. Very confident. I've got a strategy on these halving events, Litecoin halving, how to make 50, 60%, which is coming. Bitcoin strategy, I think I made 60, 65% on the last Bitcoin halving run up, because you get these hype run up rallies, but they sell off 2 weeks prior to. And I'll share those with you guys as we get there. But obviously in group, people have constant updates all day long. When I'm sleeping, constant updates, because my team is updating all day long. the most important thing I just want to encourage you guys is just the biggest financial opportunity is right in front of you. This discount is about to end, and you can get it at the lowest price ever right now and change your life. Like if you're sick and tired of losing money in this market, take a chance. cryptorev.net. Let me help you. So Bitcoin dominance, and this is, like we talked about, the altcoin season indicator. Now, you want altcoin season, you want this to continue lower. Just think about what the altcoins did here. They completely pumped. I was like 4 for 4 on these gem picks, 30%, 50%, 80%. Like, it was crazy. It's going to get crazier and easier. You'll have large caps doing multiples that are insane. But we're going to find little AI coins that are new. They're not established. They are a work in progress. And that's where we're going to find the 50, 70, 100x coins. Real quick, I'm just going to pick some random ones. Look what these coins do when they're first listed on Kucoin. Typically, you get a sell-off, right? This is a falling wedge, because people are angel investors and they are able to get the coins at 50% the price, 60% the price, 30% the price. Whoever's putting up the first $1 million, they're getting the coins cheap. And so they dump the coins and make the profits. Then falling wedge breaks out to the upside, which it should. This thing goes sideways for a period of time. And then explosive moon mission. This is called markup phase, and then markdown phase. We go to the next one. This is swing B, just random coin. After these huge run-ups, then you get these rounded bottoms that pay the bills, and that's where you want. This is whales are accumulating. Whales are accumulating. When you get the 200, see this yellow line? When the price action breaks above the yellow line, that's when accumulation is over. And what did this thing do? Bang, ran up huge. Bills repeat the market cycles, and all we do is trade them. We find the best setups every single day, and we make sure you're in them. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.